OK， 今天我们来做这个 unbox video。GXM W3 Pro camera. Let's open it. 打开 ，come with the instruction manual. This is the camera. Okay, camera with the plastic. Remember to remove. Alright, this is the accessory box. Let's open the accessory box. In the accessory box, right, it comes with charging cable. Alright, let me share with you. Come with the charging cable. The charging cable so far is the micro USB, okay? But we will do the upgrade to the Type-C in the next version. Come with the 3M adhesive. So this one you can adhesive to anywhere, the 3M, okay, the high quality 3M. Alright, come with the magnetic base. So how to install this one? 这边有一个洞哈 this one, okay. After that, right, this base, right, can magnet to any places. Very strong 哈，它有这个磁吸 magnetic. Alright, so you can also remove the base. 你可以直接拿掉这个 base. Just put your camera anywhere, okay, if you want. Also come with the screw set. If you want to do the warm up, okay, this is screw set. So for the screw set, right, 来这边哈，我教你怎么样装这个 screw. Okay. Did you see these two holes? So it's for the screw set. 我们打螺丝啊，打螺丝就装这边啦。So whether you want to do the wall mount, magnetic 或者 3M sticker， 全部都是哈。Come with one, this one the pin 啊，有一个这个针 pin. Okay, this is the QR code. Okay, you can scan to download the app. 好，我们来 try to scan 啊。你可以去 scan. If you are using the iPhone 啊，可以直接去 scan 这个 code. Or you can download this app right from the Google Store, from the Google Store or the Apple Store. Apple Store is called the GXM AI. In the Google Store, you call the GXM. 好，我们来哈。So after you download the app, right, remember to register your account. OK, 大家记住去 register 自己的 account 啊 ，register your account. There is a switch button. We have to turn on the camera 哈。Alright, if first time, right, you can try the reset camera also 哈。这边点一下这个 reset. Before we connection our camera, right, one more thing have to double confirm is your Wi-Fi. Okay, so switch to your phone Wi-Fi. If you are using a dual band, right, if you are using a dual band, you can see the 2.5 or the 2.5 or 5G. Please switch your phone Wi-Fi to the 2.4G first. So this is my 2.4G Wi-Fi. If you have the one Wi-Fi is the combined 2.4G and 5G combined, right, just use the default Wi-Fi. Use the app, the corner, this one, the plus, to scan the camera, allow the access for the camera. 好，我们这边拿起你的 camera， 在后面有一个这个 QR code， to scan. 好 ，after you scan, right, just follow the instruction, go to the next. Okay, allow the permission. So after you switch to the 2.4G, right, it will auto show your Wi-Fi name here. For the Android user, if you cannot see the Wi-Fi name properly, please turn on the location. What you need to do, right, just key in your Wi-Fi password here, okay? Double confirm with your family, key in your Wi-Fi password. So there's a QR code will generate on the screen. You hold your camera to scan the QR code. Okay, you will hear the beep from the camera and go to the next. After a few seconds, then your camera will be connected. Okay, thanks for watching.